Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are actually here in the workplace. Yeah, and this is where I sleep. So basically last night I get out from the workplace, I took a shower, I get out from the workplace, and then I plug my key to the car. Then I check my phone. Yeah, and I forgot that my key is yeah, on the car. And then when I try to start, maybe about 30 minutes already, it won't start. And that's when I realized, oh, I forgot the key for a long time. And so I ran out of battery again. I'm going to eat this. I actually don't know the name of this soup. This is how it is. I'm actually day off today. I'll be day off for 3 days. Today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. So later I'm going to buy a jump starter. I'm also going to put some of this sausage. Okay, it's hot already. Yeah, the soup is delicious. Amazing. Thank you to the mom of Crystal. Yo, we are now here in the waiting area for the bus. Yeah, so I decided I am going to buy a jump starter. I was also thinking of just calling the roadside assist, which is free with my insurance, but I don't know, I feel like riding the bus, but there is no bus. I just download the Uber app, put the payment method, and now it's looking for a driver. Okay, I am now here in Taylor's Beach. I already went to Super Cheap Auto, but it's $269. Yeah, jump starter for diesel. They have the same brand here at Repco, but they don't have available. Now I'm going to check here in Bunnings warehouse. I check and they have a different brand, Osito brand. I don't understand the lady that I speak with first. Yeah, she's giving me the expensive one, the $260 something, because she said the cheaper one is only working for petrol gas. But when I check online, this one is actually working with the diesel. And we are now doing the waiting game. There is no taxi in here. I mean, you need to book, you need to call a taxi. Yeah, and Uber, that's what I'm doing now, but there's not so much Uber people here, Uber car here. There is a bus, but 1 hour. 1 hour of waiting, and I need to go to that side. Okay, we are now here in the car. Now I'm going to check if it is going to start. Yeah, it won't start. And it will show here. Nothing. Not showing anymore. Oh, that's the one. Yeah. One box. There is this. This is the manual. And this is the device. There is this pouch. There's this charger, cable, and there is this charger. They say that it can actually charge your mobile phone also. Okay, I think it's connected already. Let's go. This is scary. I'm scared, but yeah, I will do it. Connect the positive here, and then the black one, the negative, connects in the ground. But where is that? Maybe this positive is connected to the positive. Connect the negative, the black, to the negative or to the vehicle chassis, which is that one already. Make sure all vehicle loads like radio, air condition is off. Press the power button to begin jump starting. Okay, so it is working nice. And now I'm going to start the car. Oh, it still won't start. Oh, it did not work. Yeah, I tried a couple of times. 3 times actually. The reason is probably not enough charge. Yeah. Not enough battery in here. Need to charge it first maybe. Because if you look at this, it has 1 bar. Okay, it's total disaster here. Yeah. And I'm at the moment charging my phone. The battery is good here. It's actually 13 point something. Let me show you. Yeah, 13.1. And I just called the roadside assist, and they will be coming in 1-2 hours. Now I'm going to eat again. I'm hungry. This grilled pork and what's that? Curry? Not curry, but curry. Not just curry, but curry. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, it is start already. And Inigo is still in uniform. Chef Inigo, yeah. Salamat nga.
Thank you. See you vlog.
I am now here in Williamtown, here in McDonald's. Yeah, I've been driving already maybe 20-30 minutes already. And yeah, I'm going to order McDonald's drive-thru. And you know, I miss driving. Yeah, I have not driving since last night after work. That was 10 o'clock. So 24 hours that I did not able to drive. Yeah, I miss driving. I wanna say very big thank you to Inigo. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I'm having my breakfast. This embutido, the one that is coming from the gatherings in the house of Brian and Crystal. And this embutido is cooked by their parents. Delicious. Embutido is like a mortadella. Let's try again. I have the key. It's just like that. So it means that I need to use this again. Once it starts, I will go for a long drive. Yeah, that is to fully charge the battery. If it don't start again next time, it means that it really need to change the battery. Oh, and another thing, let me show you. It says connect the negative black HD battery clamp to the negative battery terminal or vehicle chassis. That's the one. Or vehicle chassis. Yeah, it says like that. And if you look at this diagram here in the manual of the car, of this van, so basically this is the battery that is need to be charged. 2 is the battery that is providing assistance. And if you look at the negative or the black clamp, it is not connected to the negative of the low battery. Yeah, that made me really confused. Just look at this. If you see this is the cover of the negative battery. Yeah, there is this black and it's cross X, it means no, and it's the positive. So basically yesterday what I did, I connected this this positive here, and then this black one I connected it to that I consider that as the chassis, the body of the vehicle. And then I tried to restart, but it won't start still. And then last night what Inigo did is actually he connected it here. Yeah, that is how he connected it. And then switch it on. You see that? Yeah, it starts. And then I'm going out, switch it off. Like this. I remove this. That is how it is. And you know, there's actually a plus light. This and this. Okay, so yeah, I just booked an appointment to fix the battery. She said it's about $220, but yeah, they can't really tell yet because they're going to check the battery that is for this unit. And yeah, the schedule will be next week. Actually, yeah, this one again need to restart. Means that I always need to use to bring this. Always need to use this to restart the car. Okay. And now actually what I'm going to do is to go for a long drive. I don't know the name of the place. Maybe Redhead. I can read from that side. It's Redhead LSC. Yeah, it's beautiful here. Yeah, very local feeling. And at the moment there is a family there. They are having a picnic. They have their table, they have their chair. I look like they are doing mahjong. I can't get out of this car because I want the engine continuously running. I don't know if you can see that, those two. Yeah, it's actually a folding road. I mean folding bridge. Yeah, they're pulling it down now to be open. Yeah, we are now here in KFC. And it was a long drive. We'll see if it is going to start again when we get home. Okay, we are back here in the house. Going to switch off the engine. Remove the keys.
Entering time-lapse mode.
Wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, let's switch it on again. Yeah, it won't start. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are still here in my apartment. And yeah, my vehicle is outside. That's the one. The hood is actually open. Yeah, because I already called an RMA and they're going to replace the battery. It will cost $500. It's alright. But I actually already booked. If you remember yesterday, I went to the Volkswagen. But yeah, still 1 week. It means that I will still need to, I will need to keep on jump starting the vehicle every time that I need to drive for a week, and that's not good. And now he's taking the battery that is compatible for this vehicle. He is back.
So, when you jump started it, was there a cover that went over the top of that?
No, only this one has
Only
a
that one.
cover.
Okay, that's all right.
Very nice. Yeah, it starts.
Abnormal events are detected during parking. Please enter the dash cam album to view the parking surveillance video.
It started smoothly. So good.